得喎，今日。真的可以，
可以啊，
真的是可以。
可以。
Okay, so let me get ready. Oops. Refreshed. So 这个会go live。
你就在来着
啊？
你就在来着。
Yeah. YouTube is live already. I think better live earlier because recently got problem YouTube subscribers. Okay, so let's go, man. Okay, Rocket, let's go live on Facebook. Let's do it. Let's start earlier. Okay, since all the software are working fine, let's go live. Okay, I'm live now. So let's wait for more people to join us. YouTube is live and my Facebook is live. Start earlier. Early bird has worm to 食嘛，係咪咁講？ Okay, so let's go. Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this week's Bursa stock selection webinar. This is Wednesday, although it's a public holiday on Visa Day. Okay, I think everybody has been staying at home, MCO, nothing to do, right? So come online, let's talk stocks. Time to talk about stocks. Come on. A shout out for Malaysia Unify subscriber. You may encounter screen blur lah, lagging lah, sound drop lah. So that one is usually Unify will have that problem. Recently we saw. Okay, the rest are all okay. So yeah, so do take note if you are encountering any network issue. Usually is Unify subscribers. Those of you who are on other network should be fine, because I did a test of my network is very powerful, 100-200 meg download speed. Okay, so let's see, more people join us. 99, 100. Okay, those of you who are here earlier, okay, let's warm up. Let's have some warm up. Give me stocks that you are interested to look at. Come on, who want to ask the first stock over at Facebook, YouTube as well? We are all looking at you. So give me one stock, then we will start the warm up. Then before we talk about what we want to talk about today. Okay, so this is my new format. Because I realized once I jump into the agenda, usually people who join like midway will be lost. So I have changed it. MyEG, Paul. Okay, like MyEG, am I? Let's take a look at MyEG, okay? Wow. Good choice, baby. MyEG is looking good. Now, although it is, okay, guys, a lot of stocks in Bursa are downtrend, okay? I shall not pretend to be bullish in front of you. It is really bearish. Okay, it is really downtrend. The downtrend started since Feb. Okay, a lot of lower highs. You know Dow theory, guys. Dow theory means uptrend. Okay, downtrend first. Downtrend means the stock goes high, it will break the previous low and then go lower. And when it bounce, it will not bounce higher. It will not take out this high. It will go lower, and worse, it will take out this low, so it will go lower, it go lower high, go lower low. So this bounce high is lower than this. This bounce high is lower than this. This is downtrend. Okay, so a lot of stocks in Bursa are exhibiting this downtrend. So this is the flavor for tonight. looking at downtrend stock and see how can we time the bounce. Oh, so that is what we want to look at. Now, those of you who are still holding the stocks here, right? I'm not going to screw up, so don't type first. Okay, later when you see I finish my analysis on MyEG, then you come in, then you put in the stock. All right. So MyEG, I want to take a look at the weekly chart first. See, is there anything interesting on the weekly chart? Today is Wednesday holiday, so there is Thursday and Friday. So Thursday and Friday, you do have to watch out for MyEG trading higher, and the trading volume, it will be good if it can surpass, okay, as high as possible. It can surpass the bearishness over here. If it can go very high volume, it will be good. Okay, it will be good. So long white candle surpass high volume will be good on the weekly chart. Then it will close very strong, telling us that next week MyEG can continue to go higher, but the earnings should be up soon. Yeah, let's take a look. Okay, the earnings, the last time it reported in summer was 30th of June. That was because of the MCO. Now we also have MCO. I hear say the timeline has been extended, so company can report 30th of May or 30th of June. Okay, the deadline. So there is a flexibility here. I stand to be corrected. Okay, I stand to be corrected, but I think I am correct. Okay, that they can report later. Okay, so for MyEG, now, okay guys, though this analysis done on MyEG, right, can be applied on the stocks that you are trading as well. So if you open up any chart, you are looking at this downtrend, you can follow the same analysis. Okay, Dow theory, downtrend, how to break downtrend. So very quickly, right, you can see that there is a natural downtrend. So I will want to draw a downtrend line. Okay, now the art of drawing downtrend line, you need to practice, guys. Okay, there is no hard and fast rule. So what you are looking at here, MyEG is trying to break above the downtrend line. Okay, so once it break above the downtrend line, then you will have a good chance of this trend reversal happening. So by trading downtrend, right, you don't want to bet, you don't want to continuously bet. Okay, this is the low, I sapu at the low, only to be disappointed when it break lower. See, okay, only to be disappointed as it break lower. Okay, so again over here, right, you don't want to sapu just because it bounces up. Okay, only to be disappointed as the price goes lower. So don't do that. What we want is to break the downtrend line down. You can see here, right, November, December, there is also a downtrend line for MyEG right here. Can you see this downtrend line, guys? Okay, so this is the downtrend line. What you want is not to guess the low here, right? And then the worst thing is you buy, sell, buy, sell. Now on the chart, right, I show you buy here, sell here, very easy. But when you are in the stock market, it will be hard to see because you don't know when it will turn down. Okay, so this is where once it break upwards, you need to observe. You want to look for the BIC. Okay, look for the BIC. So for this MyEG, I think it is very clear. By this candle, you should already know there is BIC in this chart. Now, I always, okay, for the members, I have always been saying that this is what you want to pay attention to. The first long whites. Now, for the whole month of March, April, and May. April, there are 2 good weeks for the steel counters, for the gloves counter. Subsequently, when it comes to May, all 3. So going forward, this week onwards, you want to look out for the first long white and you want to see how the stock tests the selling. There are rules to check out how they test the selling. If they test the selling, showing us that it is still BIC, then this is what we want. Okay, this is a stock that we earmark that it can go higher. Okay, so this is for MyEG in January period. So you apply what you learned here over the past few minutes over to the right hand side over here. You can see that it is going to break. Okay, it is going to break. Okay, so once it break, you check out for BIC. When you can see BIC, then you know that MyEG is good to reverse the downtrend to go up. Okay, so that is one stop for on the technical view of MyEG. Now, next we want to find out is the fundamentals of MyEG. Okay, so you can see MyEG is a very stable stock in terms of earnings. Okay, you can see it is quite stable. The earnings is stable. So this is the kind of company you don't expect explosive move. That means I don't think it's going to give you like 80-100% kind of movement, growth movement, but it can still give you that 10-20% decent profit. Okay, from MyEG, because you see the earning is not explosive, so it is slow and steady. So that is your expectation for this MyEG. Now I can still see people talking about the chart not clear lah, huh? The line lagging lah, all this. It is because of Unify. If you are a Unify subscriber, your line will be blurred. Okay, proven. A lot of member has done some research. They tried to try. Okay, so it was due to a lot of them are under Unify. Those of you on Maxis will be good. Okay, so those of you who are on Unify, you should feel the thing lagging and all that. That one can't be helped because my network is solid. Okay, my network is solid. So does the rest of the some of the members here who are listening in. I believe you guys can see it clearly as well. Okay, so remember Unify. Exchange to Maxi still the same then I don't know already lah. I don't know already because Singapore side okay this last night I did for the Singapore traders Singapore event is okay. So I don't know, maybe there's something to do with the Malaysian network lah. Now MCO correct or not? MCO. So the network is a bit slow lah. Okay, they have to slow down the network. MCO they cannot move. The data cannot move around must stay in the region. Okay, 好无聊讲这种冷笑话。Heavy rain and thunderstorm in Klang Valley. Very good. After 你有没有听过 ？After this heavy rain and thunderstorm there will be rainbow. Okay, there will be rainbow. So all the 疫情 will be over very soon. Will be over very soon. So it's very good that there is a thunderstorm and heavy rain in Klang Valley right now. So good. Okay, good. So hopefully tomorrow onwards, wow, green market. Jadis, JB also okay. JB okay, DG okay. Also only selective group. Okay, I will only say this one last time tonight. I don't want to keep talking about the network. I'm sure you don't want me to troubleshoot network with you, correct not? We want to talk about stock, 係咪咁講? Let's talk about stock. So MyEG done. Next stock. Next stock, come. Next stock. 嚟 Pestec wow, Pestec very cold door Tonight I'm going to talk about steel counters, aluminium, and gloves. Okay, these three sectors. So this is Pestec. Pestec is quite pessimistic. Okay, once I open up the chart, right? Okay, I saw a very bearish sign which is called the descending triangle. This is called the descending triangle, guys. This is called the descending triangle. Let me show you. You can see my aluminium price, iron ore price, all standby to show you later. Okay, I did my homework already. So what I want to show you is the descending. Hey, as you get older, do you realize sometimes you cannot spell the word that you want? Descending triangle pattern. Wow, recently my spelling damn bad. Like that. Okay, you can see it's a descending triangle pattern. It is a bearish pattern. It's a bearish pattern. Okay, it's a bearish pattern. So this is a descending triangle. So descending triangle, you watch out for the downside. Now, what would cause Pestec to come down? You must understand. Industry is construction and engineering. So I believe over the past 6 months, they shouldn't be doing good because limited activities MCO Also, you take a look at the earnings, it's also downtrend. So basically, this is not a stock nor the industry that I will be interested in. You see, the stock market 900 overstock and split into many industry, guys. Split into many industry. So this is construction industry. Then you have got air freight and courier services, airlines. There's so many. Okay, so at any one time, there will be an industry in play. And currently, the industry in play is the aluminium, the steel, and the gloves. Okay, so any other industry may not be their time to move yet. Also, when you are trading, you need to pay attention to this. Okay, so Pestec it's not a stock I will buy immediately. And then if you look at the performance of the price chart, it is telling you it's a descending triangle. Look like it's going to break down. So it is considered bearish. 哇，这边也有嘞，这边也有嘞，哇，不是我要吓你哦，不是我要吓你。Okay, wait, let me just zoom out. Let me just zoom out. Oh, let me just zoom out. Okay, you can see there is one descending triangle here. Now, this kind of pattern, you learn it once, you will remember, because human brains are tuned to recognize pattern. Okay, human brains are tuned to recognize pattern. Okay, so this is the descending triangle previously in October 2019. Okay, this is due to SARS. Sorry, this is due to COVID-19. So nothing to do with the stock maybe, but it is still a descending triangle. This is also descending triangle. Also, watch out for Pestec. It may not be the industry to trade right now. Right, one more. Comfort so fast. Comfort. Wow, your timing very good. Your timing very good. So Hua Leong, your timing is very good. Okay, Comfort is talking about glove stock. Now, glove stock, you need to understand the demand and the supply of gloves. There was a rally in April because there was a surge in infection in India, and then everybody kisiao. Okay, it was like every day 300, 400,000 infection detected in India. Okay, soon after game over is coming down, and a lot of earnings come out from this glove sector. It seems like their peak earnings is over. Okay, they will start to normalize. Therefore, you can see the price no longer going up. And also, over the past week, last week, it was like magic. Whenever there is high infection, when the infection rate, COVID infection rate in Malaysia break record, 6K glove stock rally. 6.8K glove stock rally, 7K last week. They tried to rally, but after that still come down. So that magic formula doesn't work anymore. Which means to say, right, there is no more reason for glove stock to rally like last time. So those of you who are stuck damn long ago, like October until now, and you hope that it will go back to your break-even price. As of now, what we're looking at the chart, there is nothing positive lah. So GI. Okay, so the other thing is, if you want to buy Comfort again, okay, you use my method BIC to time. Okay, this is the last time we play glove stock. Okay, you could see that is this BIC. Can you see the BIC or the BIC chart? Now, this BIC chart sustained over here as well. Okay, and on the way up, you could still see the pattern going higher and higher, okay, with the BIC pattern. So it continues to surge higher, okay, until here it starts to break, everything break. Or this is where you should get out of the glove stock. Now, glove stock, similarly to MyEG, just now I teach you to see MyEG. So you draw the downtrend line, right? You can see, this is only Comfort. Later you see Care Plus, you see Supermax, all do the same thing. Okay, now, high break the downtrend line. High test selling successfully, then only can go up. So MyEG, you use the same method. Okay, you will be able to catch MyEG. Care Plus also the same. Okay, Care Plus is also the same. Now, Care Plus is a stock I traded. So you could see this is the beautiful downtrend line. The stock unable to go up until here it start to go up. So you see, no point you try to draw support line. Okay, you draw support, you buy here. After that, come down lower. Oh, you buy here, or you buy here. Wow, from $2 buy until $1.20, at night cannot sleep. 係咪咁講？是不是 at night cannot sleep, guys? If you keep averaging down, you are just gambling hoping that it will one day rebound. So like now, cannot rebound anymore, 嘛係慘。Okay, now more importantly is you recognize when is the best time to buy BIC chart. Oh, can you see the BIC chart? Now, what is BIC? Okay, anybody can reply what is BIC, especially member you are here. Right, try. What is BIC? 唔可能唔知道啦 ，BIC 係咪咁講？ BIC 什麼是 BIC？ 各位觀眾 buyer in control. 对了 that is buyer in control. Also, I want all of you to reply so that a lot of people, those of you who are new to this webinar, you will be able to see, oh, 原来是 buyer in control. Now, next question. How many of you do not know what is buyer in control? Comment me. If you do not know what is buyer in control, comment me. Comment me. If you don't know what is buyer in control, comment me. Everybody know Everybody know Wow, not bad That means there's no very lag here Don't talk about lag already Jack Tan 你不知道咩 Jack Tan 你是 member 是不係啦你喂 Singapore Poly Temasek Poly Jack Tan 你不懂个屁Henry Chong wow all these all 给笑 one 给笑all 给笑 Okay, right? So VIC very simple. Okay, first when you open up a chart, you look for volume spike. After volume spike, you see the candle pulling back, trading sideways. Okay, that means it is undergoing what you call that shakeout of big holder, which is contra player lah. Whenever you see high volume I guarantee you there is always contra player. So this is the shakeout for contra player, and it must come with low volume. How high is high volume? How low is low volume? 上课就知道咯 Okay, so this is the kind of chart you want. Whenever it tests the selling, you see low volume. Okay, so that is for Care Plus. You see Supermax, also the same thing. Okay, Supermax is also the same thing. The downtrend line. Okay, downtrend line. And then when it break upwards, okay, can you see? All of them display the same pattern. So that was the best time to buy gloves. So right now, okay, it is no longer the good time to buy gloves. You can see there is no BIC anymore. After the sharp sell off, we need to see BIC. Don't see BIC, don't touch. Very simple. Okay, 不要跟我讲基本面哇什么什么什么什么啦，你跟这边的人讲啦，你跟这边的人讲基本面。We buy when there are buyers in the stock. If you don't see buyer in the stock, hands off first. 不要去动它，这样就不会受到伤害。知唔知 Okay, let's go. Next stock. Okay, any more stock or not? Right, last one. Last one before I go to my agenda tonight. Hey, tonight viewership only 364 very little We need to see more people. Okay, it's usually 500 one 嘛，哇，越做越少人假烂，不可以这样。LC Titan, what is this? Can you go through this? I think both stocks are promising, but no confidence due to that. Arugam. Okay, sorry just now I saw Tasco. I cannot discuss with you Tasco. Okay. Now, why I cannot discuss Tasco with you? Very simple. This stock I reserve for Traders Club, so I will not discuss Tasco in the public event. 所以Traders Club member 漂亮不漂亮 ？Our stock I will not discuss in public. 所以if you Traders Club, if you like this, give me the haha. Give me the haha. Okay, any stock that we are waiting to buy, I shall not discuss in public. 是照顾你们Okay, JHM can. I'm not intending to buy. JHM. Okay, JHM bearish you see, no wonder I'm not interested to buy. JHM is bearish. Okay, downtrend not the type. Okay, Arumugam. Okay, Arumugam. So you see same method. I teach you how to chart. I teach you guys how to chart so that you take care of yourself Okay, you draw the downtrend line first. Okay, you draw the downtrend line, touching the most high. Okay, touching the most high. You can see here false breakout. After that, come back in, right? So you wait for the next one when it appears the white, the blue line. Sorry, not the white line, the blue line. Okay. I say again, same method as MyEG. Guys, this is the method to apply going forward, going forward, because a lot of stocks are into the downtrend already since February high, or all showing the Dow theory, lower high, lower high, lower high. I gave up 2 weeks ago. I finally cut some of the losses and restart. I don't want to touch all these downtrending stock anymore. Okay? Wow. Okay, so this is the GHM. Not the time to buy yet. You don't see the downtrend line broken, Arumagam. Okay, so this is what we want to talk about for the free discussion. So now we want to talk about lobang. Okay, tomorrow from my screener, what lobang do we have? Okay, now let me go to the rule selection. We're going to screen the stock market together, guys. Okay, so for the stock market, for the rule selection, a lot of you ask me what are the rules, what do they stand for? Let me now address to you. CNX up is looking for up trending stock. Trendmaster V3 is also looking for up trending stock. Now the thing is, if there is no uptrend in the market, or if the market going to a sideways, you use these two strategies to look for stock. Most of the time you will encounter downtrending stock. Okay, what rule is good for all kind of market, uptrend, downtrend, and also for sideways? That is your price pullback. This one is all weather. Like the Nippon Paint and that, all weather. So I always like to do price pullback. Like I always share with you in our Monday training. So because now we got this ranking, so I can choose all 3 rules, save, let the system go and generate all the results, select KLSE, let it generate all the results. Okay, and then last trading day, I sort by my rank. This one is the new feature, very convenient, because once you sort by the rank, 你只需要看最强的股就好了嘛，对不对？ Just now I saw people talking about Leon FB there. 好股 is a good stock. Okay, all these 4-star, 3-star are good stock. 2-star is so-so. Okay, be careful of 2-star and 1-star. 1-star doesn't mean no good. 1-star generally not as good as 4-star confirm but 1-star could be some stock is like Hanyu Fansan. That means it has been down for 3 quarters. The last quarter earnings start to turn up. So let me take a quick look. Is there anyone here? I think Marcin is Hanyu Fansan. I think so. Later we take a look. Okay, so after you do the sorting, guys, you go to the price chart. Then everything on the left hand side here will be sorted nicely for you. Then okay, no more your stock. No more your stock, guys. No more your stock. So now you pay attention to this stock. This is the new lobang. It is not your stock that matters. It is what stock will move up that matters. Correct or not? Let me explain again. It is not my analysis of your stock that can help you. It is this stock on the left, new opportunity that can help you. Okay, so let's go. Plantation stock generally doing very well, but their stock tak jalan. Okay, their stock jalan. Okay, you can see this is not downtrend, right? A lot of stock downtrend, but B plant is not downtrend. Market cap, big cap, 1.35 billion. But once you open up, once you open up a chart, you want to see BIC. Here, I don't see BIC. Okay, I don't see BIC. So I am very unlikely to buy this stock. Okay, I don't see any BIC. So I'm very unlikely to buy this stock. Let me go to the weekly chart. 2 time frame. Whoa, weekly chart 早睡咯. Weekly chart is beautiful. Weekly chart, yes, BIC. You saw BIC now. Going up, high volume, then pulling back, low volume. Okay, low volume compared to the high volume and this is today, Wednesday night. So got Thursday and Friday. So B plan, right, doesn't mean no chance to go up. It still has this buyer stepping in right here. So we want to take a closer look at the daily chart to see whether this weekly candle can go up or not. Now, weekly candle, in case you don't know, opening price is Monday, closing price is Friday. So it takes 5 trading days to close up the weekly candle, to form the weekly candle. Okay, so daily chart again, you can see this one is not the easiest chart. This is not the easiest chart. Okay, but you can see the earnings, right, starts to turn bottom up since Q1 2020, keep making more and more money. CPO is going high. So for me to get more confident, I'm showing you how I look for stock. Okay, I'm showing you how I look for stock. So I want to show you exactly how I look for stock. So when I am considering B plan, okay, the chart is not the most obvious, but I will click on this and I will check the Abang Adik. Okay, the Abang Adik in the same sector, in the same industry, to see how is their stock price doing. KLK reported, oh sorry, not KLK, IOI, right, reported very good earnings. IOI Corp, where are you? Let me see. I remember one of them reported earnings and it was very good. It was very good. How come it's not here? Okay, let me try. I Corp plantation, right? Or food processing, under food. Okay, this fella reported very strong earnings, but share price tak jalan. Okay, and it's downtrending. So the sector, pea plantation sector, is not the easiest to trade. You can see the price like don't want to go up, right? So have to look for more. Like Genting plantation is also down. FGV taken private, right? Taking private soon. Let's see some of the plantation stock. IJM plantation. This one also not very bullish. You need to see long white. If you don't see long white, usually not very safe to buy immediately. Okay, then we see KM Lung. Yeah, okay. After clicking a few plantation stock, I do not think that B plantation is interesting because the rest of them like don't want to go up. Like, I think Jetiasa, is it here? Jetiasa? Jetiasa is not here. Prasawi. Yeah, see, all not going up. So, 算了, B plantation, I'm not interested. Like Leong B, Leong FB. Okay, so this is a steel industry stock, and the steel industry has got one of the best robust price movement that a lot of investors are interested. So here, I want to talk about the steel industry so that all of you receive the information and make informed decision. Okay, so guys, this is the iron ore price. Okay, I was reading it just now, and China has signaled that it will focus on efforts to cool soaring prices, warning of, okay, which means time to time, right, China will issue some statement or to resist the to resist the steel price going higher. Okay, so this is something to watch out for. So when we are trading the steel counters, if China publish any announcement, it is bound to hit the steel stock. Why steel stock comes down? Exactly because of them. Okay, now is the earning season. A lot of steel industry like Chubi reported very strong set of earnings. Okay, so gap up. So you see, unable to go higher. So there is this overhang. Now, what I mean is don't get too hung up on steel stock because you don't want to expect them to continue to make this kind of surge in price. It may not be realistic because China is watching. So China may publish some news to resist the steel futures. Then you will see all these steel stock gonna hammer. There is Singapore steel stock, right? Already gonna hammer on Tuesday. Okay, you can see this one gonna hammer on Tuesday with high volume. Then you have got another one, Southern Alliance, also the same. So tomorrow when Bursa open, I'm not sure whether the steel stock will gonna hammer or not. This one 看起来是没有啦，but in terms of percentage, from 105 hammered to 985. Okay, so Leon FB in terms of chart, okay, in terms of chart, yes, we do see the long white. Okay, so this is Tuesday, a weak volume pullback. So if it pull back some more with lower volume, then yes, it may still look interesting. But I am wary of what China can do. So this is something you need to watch out for if you are trading the steel counters. Now, when you talk about aluminium, okay, Alcom come out in the results tonight. Aluminium stock. Aluminium stock doesn't have this problem. China never mentioned anything about aluminium, and the aluminium futures are still flying high. Are still flying high. This is a triple top. This is 15 minutes. Okay, let me go to the 1 day. Okay, this is the aluminium price start to climb up again. Okay, and so far China side hasn't said anything about aluminium price. So maybe, just maybe, aluminium may be a better play compared to steel this round. Okay, just watch out for China side. They don't want the prices to go high, so they may come to whack aluminium in case that. Oh, the PA has an announcement after market close on Tuesday. Okay, so now we know why on Tuesday it was so strong. It has extended its contract with a customer for another 2 years. So this is PA. It's a good counter. You can see the health check. Fundamentally, it is a good counter, and it is a rising growth stock. You can see this growth stock. So the share price was rising like crazy over the past 5 months. Okay, recently also gonna hammered by the sellers, by the bears. Okay, so again, there is no sign of recovery yet. Okay, I would want to see more BIC candles before I buy. Generally, a lot of stock doesn't have, okay, the BIC. So even the most recent trade that I took, D&O, had an early scare yesterday. Okay, now D&O has got okay, you can see D&O breakout of this downtrend line. Okay, and I thought it's going to be a false break and it's going to come down again, but managed to close higher. But it is still not safe yet. Also, members who are in D&O trade, right, we are still not out of the woods yet. We need it to fire up strongly. Okay, once it trade upwards, then we know that, wow, this could be the low. This could be the low we bought for the August earnings. Okay, you can see this is also a downtrend. Okay, you see right here. So this is the downtrend, break, okay, and then trend higher. So I'm hoping that this will continue. Okay, I'm hoping that this will continue. So let's cross our fingers for D&O. 明白吗？明白，给我一个哈哈。If you understand D&O, give me a 哈哈。Okay, it's very simple, very simple, Okay, hey guys, you remember the stock I was telling you about over at the communicator? My favorite pattern. You guys remember not? My favorite pattern in the communicator. Where's the communicator? This one. Knowledge sharing on chart reading. Sembawang Corp Industry. So this is when I was sharing with you. Okay, so it has drawn up already. It has drawn up already. This was when I was sharing with you. So after that, it go up already. So a lot of our members, Singapore members, are very, very excited about this trade. Okay, although it's a Singapore stock, but I want to give you the confidence that what you learn, okay, is applicable. Okay, what you learn is applicable, and you can see its effect right here. Okay. So this is the one that I wanted to share with you for the academic purpose. So let's continue down the list. Okay, Astino. Okay, Astino, you can see, okay, Astino, this stock is interesting because it has bounced off the support. This is the low, bounced off the support with a hammer pattern. So this is good. This is good. And it went up with yet another hammer pattern, high volume, and Tuesday pull back on low volume. Also, you watch Thursday, Friday. If you can give us a grandstand finish by Friday, this stock is legitly good. Weekly chart not so good. You see, daily chart may look very good. Okay, daily chart may look good in terms of volume and all that, but once you go to the weekly chart, right, you see these are very sian. This is a long black. Okay, long black, you don't want to talk about it yet. Okay, you don't want to trade it yet because you want to see the buyer step back into the stock first. So as of now, Astino still doesn't look good. You have a long black candle. What I'm afraid of is it will do a double black. So this is the first black. Second black, when it starts to turn white, then we take note of the stock. So right now, I think it's still too early for Astino. Still too early for Astino. So next one, Fitters. Okay, Fitters on the weekly chart is black candle. Let's go to the daily chart. No BIC. Okay, no BIC, don't touch. Here you can buy. Here you can buy because there is BIC. Can you see BIC? Right, here BIC you can buy, but once I show you what it's doing here, Immediately, cannot. Then you take a look at the industry, real estate development operations. Not the industry in play yet. Okay, not the industry in play yet. The current industry in play, I see it is still the logistics, the transport, the still have to be careful. Aluminium. Also, these are the few industry we need to take note of. Okay, while we wait for the rest. G packet. This one banned. I banned it for many months already. Oh, it's downtrend, don't touch lah. Downtrend don't touch. Grand flow, I remember it sold its business already, right? Remember, so you don't see any BIC. Can you see? No BIC, so don't touch. Heng Yuan, you have to see the oil price. Wait, let me take a quick peek at the oil price. What is the oil price doing? Oil price is down slightly. Okay, oil price has been trading between 65, 67, 65, 67. Okay, so this Heng Yuan, currently it is still not a pattern that I recognize as viable. I don't see any BIC yet, so I won't touch Heng Yuan. Hua Thai food poisoning. Food processing, sorry. Food processing. Okay, this one has got BIC. Can you see the BIC? Okay, now what is BIC? Again, high volume spike, pull back, low volume, pull back, low volume. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart, the BIC pattern is still there. Okay, so this food processing company is not too bad and it's 3-star. 3-star. So if you want to have a peace of mind, then you want to check the PIP stable. 10% is 61 cents. Okay, when is the last time we reported earnings? Definitely more than 10% gain. So Hua Thai food processing could be the next sector to watch out for. Okay, for food processing, you want to click on this link. These are the rest of the abang adik in the same industry. Some time back, okay, we were trading MFLA. So let's take a look at MFLA. Okay, now MFLA has got this very bearish sign that 我看了就讨厌了, which is the long upper tail, the middle finger that I always speak of. So this risks of selling. So therefore, this one I don't want to trade because it's very tricky. I'd rather get out of it with a small loss that time than to carry on hoping that it will bounce. It has got a lot of upper shadow. Okay, here got one, here got one. So I'm not confident that it can go up for MFLA. Although the earnings is going to come out soon, but definitely not my cup of tea. I don't see BIC lah. One person say I don't see BIC. At least Hua Thai has BIC. 再来一次 Hua Thai. Now Hua Thai, if we really want to trade Hua Thai, what strategy to use? Okay, you use VT strategy. Okay, or you use smarter way to buy low. Now, whenever you see such a low volume of stock, right, sometimes it will be better use smarter way to buy low for Hua Thai. Also, you want to alert yourself. Okay, you want to alert yourself when the price, okay, 2 times to alert. Okay, if the price continue to fly up, right, if it clear the high over here where my blue line is, okay, I set an alert over there. Expiry date 4th of June, first Friday of the month, so that we review all the signal one time. Okay, apply. Okay, if it cross over this 63, you check out for VT volume. Still remember how to identify VT volume? Okay, VT volume, let me find you the link, okay, to learn how to set up VT volume. VT volume. Okay, this is the one, VT volume right here. Okay, for those members who to learn how to set up the volume to observe that is the correct volume to buy, look at this video. Okay, so that you remember how to set up the VT volume. Now, if you want to use smarter way to buy low, make sure you are buying at a very obvious low here lah. And also watch out for the volume. Okay, so once you set this alert, okay, I'm going to set one more. Let me set one more over here. Now, VT volume, obviously, I cannot set here in this webinar because there are more members here, so they may not know what am I talking about. Also, I will set after the event. So this is the low. Okay, this is low that if the stock constant touch this low, it will alert me. All right. So these lines are, for those of you who are non-member, these lines are very, very useful. Once you set up the line alerts, okay, when the price trades there, okay, wait, let me draw one more uptrend line. I can see this natural uptrend line over here. Okay, this is the uptrend line. Okay, so when Huatai pulls back, touch the orange line, or go up, touch the orange line, I will receive an alert right here in the software. Okay, I will receive an alert right here in the software, and it will also be sent to my Telegram. Okay, my Telegram over here. So this is the Tuesday Telegram alert. You can see Care Plus alerted. This is what I drawn, key price level, so alerted me. DNEX also alerted me. The rest are Singapore stock. Okay, the day before, you see all this Bursa one, Melewa, Trendmaster V3, okay, CSTEL. So this is the alerts from the software delivered to your Telegram in your mobile phone. But the thing is, you need to click here and set it up. Okay, you click proceed, it will teach you, it will give you a QR code to scan to your Telegram. Then you will be able to join the Telegram, hook up your Telegram with the ESG Master Pro and start receiving the alerts. Okay, very, very useful. So that is for Huatai. Let's see any more. Itronic downtrend to 1. Okay, LB Alum. Wow, this one confirmed a lot of people interested. Now, LB Alum and this Alcom, both of them are aluminium. Now, aluminium, like I said, do be careful of China side. Okay, if you want to trade yuan du fu su, which means if China come out and hammer the stock, right, you must be able to run. Now, when they hammer the stock, it's not going to be down 1 or 2%, 3%, 10%, 10%, 8% kind of fall. Can you handle the stress? You understand what I'm saying? Can you handle the stress? If you cannot handle the stress, you're not ready to handle this kind of stress, then aluminium and steel is not for you. You understand? If you understand, comment okay. Comment okay if you understand the risk. I need to explain the risk to you because this is no joking matter. China comes out with any policy, it is going to hammer the steel and aluminium stock. So I need you to receive this loud and clear. If you are to trade these two industry, be prepared to run because when it comes down, it is not coming down 1 to 3%. It is like 8%, 10% suddenly. Okay, good that you know the risk. So let's talk about LB Alum. Now, LB Alum has a double top. What I like about it is the last time we reported earnings, it is a fantastic earnings. You can see right here. Okay, there was a big jump in the earnings, so the stock fly. So I expect it to continue to report very strong earnings. So the 10% pips is about 80 cents. So now it's doing 97 cents, which is 10.20. 30%. At this price, the market is pricing in a 30% earnings growth for LB Alum. Can he do it? Wow, 这个就是那个挑战性. Can he report a growth of 30%? The risk is there, guys. The risk is there. So if you take the trade, please be prepared. Okay, if you miss the earnings, then or you can just register 10 or 20% growth, the stock may not fly up. Okay, the stock may not fly up. So that is the risk. This earnings season, what I discovered is a lot of stocks are reporting lesser earnings. If you have been paying attention, lesser earnings. So no wonder the market cannot go up over the past 3 months. Okay, usually after the February earnings, March, April should be good months for a lot of stocks, starting to wait for the report card in May. But this time around, no, it keep going lower and lower and lower. Also, this LB Alum, take care. Okay, so this is the support, broken, turn, resistance. So this is the resistance to watch out. If LB Alum can clear this resistance, let me put another line. horizontal line. I'm going to put right here so that it will send an alert to my mobile phone. So if members, you want to be alerted, you have to draw your own line. I've got member who ask me, hey, how come I receive alert, but you never receive alert? Because you need to draw your own line. Okay, you need to draw your own line so that it will alert to your mobile phone. Okay, so once it crack this level, you check the transaction volume. If it reach the VT volume, then it's safe to say it should reverse up. Okay, so that is for LB Alum. L Steel, I think it reported earnings after the bell, right? L Steel. Okay, quite a strong set of earnings, so we expect it to fly. Well, L Steel chart is the clearest compared to Melewa, compared to Haptic. Two long white candle from how much? From 60 cents all the way to 75 cents. Okay, pull and low volume. So expected to perform like Chubby tomorrow, but it's too late for those of us who don't have. It's too late. Okay, no need to look for it. Look for the other steel. Melewa, for example, haven't report earnings and it has got a low volume pullback. So this is BIC chart. So you see, steel counters, steel stocks still has got this BIC chart. Okay, now 61.5, is it too expensive to buy? Check the pips table, guys. Check the pips table. You will see that it is still only 10%. So if Melewa never tapa, it can register another growth, solid growth in the EPS. It should go up like Chubby. Okay, so the thing is, if it doesn't, it is going to fall. So you have to watch out for the risk. Okay, for Melewa. Okay, what price to buy? I will use the VT over here. Okay, there's no way to use smarter way to buy low because I don't think it's going to come down. I have said many times, I want to see the first white candle of steel stock and see how it tests the selling. So Tuesday it is testing a selling with low volume. So to me, it's good. Okay, to me, it's good. Will I give a damn to China? Oh, you bet I will. I'm still very wary about China. So therefore, you see, I very, very hesitant to take the steel trade. But if I got nothing to buy, I may just buy one. Buy one. Don't buy like last time, like that, 2, 3, 4 steel stock. Maybe just buy one and see whether it works out or not. Okay, because the earning is supposed to be released this week, I think. Let's check the date. This week. Yeah, 29th, this week. Also, anytime, maybe it's tomorrow lunch or tomorrow end of the day, then it's like Chubby get up, then lot chill, right? So keep a watch out for it. Also, since we're at steel, might as well we go and look at all the steel brothers and sisters. You click here, okay? Then you can see so many steel for you to choose from. Anju masih boleh pai. Okay, Anju, the price action is quite, how do I say it? It's quite steady, but it also never go up. So this fella hasn't go up yet. Anju haven't go up yet. You saw the rest of the stock already start to climb back up the uptrend line, except Anju. More fair, the earnings is going to stun us. That means it's going to report lousy earnings. So have to be careful. Anju. Then you have got the rest. Who else? This one reported earnings already. Haptic, we have got two white candle with high volume, and Tuesday it tested low volume, which is good. Okay, so this is in the class of Belewa, same. Okay, so I think it is still how do I say it? I don't want to sound too bullish. Later I'll jump in to see. So it is still tradable. It is still tradable, okay, because of the low volume pullback on Tuesday. So Thursday, Friday, you watch out, okay? You watch out for them. P-Trans, this one usually I never touch. Downtrend, you see downtrend, although, okay, the signal is price pullback. So why price pullback? You can see that long white pullback, low volume. But 前提 is it is a downtrending stock, okay? Just now I thought I saw downtrending stock. Okay, so 前提 it is breaking down, so I'm not interested in this stock. Saudi is a food processing stock, okay, price pullback strategy. This one you can see BIC, okay, BIC, but it is not the best. The earning is not the best, so usually I will skip this kind of speculative stock. This is called a waterfall, guys. This is called waterfall. Obviously, this is a P and D stock. It looks very much like a P and D stock. P&D stock. You know what's P&D, guys? P&D? What's P&D? Very important for you to know what is P&D. 什么是 P&D? Anyone? Can share P&D? Perry E, pump and dump. Pump and dump. You all say one, not I say one, because technically I cannot say this kind of term, but you all say one, okay? So those of you over at YouTube, you can see all these participants say P&D equals to pump and dump. So that's why whenever a stock goes up for no reason, don't go in touch. Don't go in touch. 死了都不知道为什么. Okay, so what you want to do when you look for stock to buy, you look at the industry. It must be the industry in play, or you look at the stock's earning. The earning, if it's solid like MyEG, right? Although it is not in the steel industry, it's not in the aluminium industry, it's not even doing gloves, but MyEG earnings is stable. So at least you trade this kind of company, or I tell you, even if the price comes down, right? So long the earnings continue to be stable, you will not lose a lot of money. It is safer. But what a lot of retail investors like to do is they like this kind of excitement. They say, 跟他搏啦，搏3毛，搏1块，多爽. Yes, when you are trading, you are looking at this. But when it come down, right, every day you'll be wishing that, tomorrow rebound. Tomorrow rebound, I get out. Rebound, I get out. Rebound, I get out. Rebound, I get out. Boleh, okay, so be very careful lah. So commodity. This is also BIC chart, commodity chemicals. This chemical industry is also very good. Okay, you can see their earnings are all very good last quarter. Last reporting, not last quarter, last reporting. Reported earnings, no, not yet. Reported earnings in March. Okay, so the earnings should be good. Let's see. Yep, the earning is good. So coming up earnings, let's see the pips, 28 cents. Now is doing it. It's okay, not too expensive yet. But is this the best in chemical stock to own? I have my doubt. I am actually waiting for LC Titan, to be honest. LC Titan earning is super solid. Also, I'm actually waiting for LC Titan. Okay, you see my blue color zone. Wow, this one tell you that there is special price action over here. Remember, we know why blue color lah. Here, blue color. There's a very special price action here that the software highlighted and refused to go away like this blue. So this is telling me to focus what happened here. Okay, so at LC Titan, what I see is pullback, low volume. Okay, so I believe it will ding dong. Member 有反应了。Special zone, right? Blue color is special zone. Special zone 对不对？Special zone, okay. So it is now doing what we call the RTS. Now there is a RTS here at 290, so it did a RTS. Tapi the volume is not very significant, so therefore I still haven't initiate a buy for. Sorry, not initiate. I myself haven't buy LC Titan yet. I'm waiting to see how it tests the selling. Okay, so far Tuesday test the selling with high volume, very disappointed. Okay, it is unlike the steel, so this one I will continue to wait. Okay, so the 失收的出现使我想起 LC Titan. Okay, I may not trade 失收. But at least I know Seso is commodity chemical, so LC Titan will be my pick of the chemical stock. So if you want to find out other chemical stock, okay, special zone. Wow, Jing Kai not here. Jing Kai will jump up and down when he see the blue color zone. Okay, so there are other chemical stock right here. Okay, maybe we take a look at Samchem. Does it have the same? Oh, see, Samchem doesn't have the BIC. Can you see? No BIC, don't touch. So this chemical industry still haven't shown the BIC yet. Haven't shown the BIC yet. So Luxchem also don't touch. So for the whole commodity chemical, this is also another industry I target for August. So I'll just continue to observe and wait for the BIC. 不要啦，我不要 erase. Anthony, I don't want to erase. Once I erase, all my 靖凯来了 my charts many special zone. Okay, I don't want, if I erase all my trend line will be gone also, so I don't want, I keep it there. Every time I see the green zone, remind me of 靖凯. Okay, S still, right? S still, same. Okay, guys, what you want to observe tonight, right, is all the still stock Tuesday pull back on low volume. Okay, and it announced, oh, S still is the one that announced, not L still, I'm so sorry. S still was the one that announced after earnings that earnings is very strong, I think triple. So expect the chubby kind of performance from S still, not L still. I see the wrong stock. Okay, so this one, watch out for it. Sim Life, Tarsin, these two usually I don't trade the one. Again, now got ranking now. Let's just see lah. Let's just see. Okay, high volume, yes, but it's not a long white candle, so it is not my BIC chart. Forget it. Tarsin, still yet another still counter. 有没有看到？这个就是图表的秘密。This is the secret of charting. Can you see all the still stock coincidentally Tuesday all pull back with low volume? Can you see it now, guys? Okay, so I want to do this. I want to come here. I want to sort by the industry. Okay, then you can see all the industry are sorted nicely together, and our dear steel industry are all here. Wow, so many of them. Okay, so many of them. Take your pick, man. Take your pick, man. Look for the 4-star, 3-star first before you consider the 1-star. Also, all of them has this same pattern, pull back on Tuesday at low volume. So the charts of the steel industry is calling us. Can you hear or not, guys? Can you hear or not? For the lady, you may need to pull back your hair, and then use your ear to listen. 听得到吗? Steel industry is calling you. 来. Okay? 来. Okay, understand or not, guys? Understand? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you understand what I'm trying to hint you on steel industry. Very good. Wow, so many likes, thumbs up. Okay, now, so tonight I think it's very clear. The industry to focus is definitely this steel industry. Okay, now I want to show you your enemy. Okay, those of you who are going to trade the steel stock, you have only one person to watch out for. Okay, one person to watch out for. That is he is the man who stands between your profit and steel stock. Okay, everybody see, he is the man standing between the steel stock and your profit. Watch out, guys. Chart, okay, steel chart is very beautiful, it's very bullish, but it can suddenly turn bearish because of one person, one country or one person. Okay, 不好笑咩? Only a few of you laughing. I thought this is very funny. Okay, so let's go. Man of Steel. All right, so that is for the steel industry. And lastly, let's talk about the KLSE Strength Index. Now, the bad news is, ever since we broke the Sapu line, those of you who has been following this webinar for many times, this is the Sapu line that has worked wonderfully for us in 2020. Come 2021, the one time it tested, it broke. All right, so now we have to re-establish a new pattern going forward. Okay, a new pattern going forward. So what you are looking at now in May is there are not a lot of stocks trending up, which is bad news. Okay, which is bad news. Today is Vesak Day, so I think Vesak Day, if he is a Buddhist, then he may need to he may need to give chance. Don't go and crash the market. Hey, all we want all we want is just 2 good days in steel. We just want 2 good days in steel. So he just need to keep quiet. Let us enjoy this earnings month for steel. That's good enough. We don't need him to keep quiet all the way, or just give us 2 days. Give us 2 days. Okay, so this is the time, guys. This is the time you have to look out for BIC chart, and you can see, okay, that through my list of stock, it is very, very hard to find BIC chart. A lot of stocks are downtrending. Correct or not? So this index is saying the same thing. So once we see this index in this zone, that means a lot of stocks are not trending up. If the stock is not trending up, you go and use a trend trading strategy to trade the stock market, you are going to lose money. So this is the time, if you only know how to trade uptrend stock, you stop. Don't do anything. You wait for the chart to go into an uptrend, meaning it starts to go up, then only you start to look for stocks to buy. Okay, but if you are universal, you know how to take care of yourself in uptrending, in sideways market, okay, then you use the BIC chart. You watch out for BIC chart going forward. Now, I have said this before, I'm going to say it again. Never ever give up following the market, because if you do that, you will never win. Okay, let me give you one example. If you have given up on the stock market in October 2020 as the stock come crashing down, you will not have benefited from the November and December rally. Why? Because as the stock crashed down, you are not there. When the stock turn up, you are also not there. You don't know. How do you know? You know only when a lot of stocks are up. Right here where my cursor is. Then you notice, stocks are going up. Okay, I come in. By the time you come in, all the party is gone. The market start to go down again in December. Then you lose money again. Then you thought the stock market is against you. You are unlucky. Your stock trading is not for you. But it's not. Because you don't have the knowledge. You anyhow, you see so like this is coming down. You go and step away. When it turn up, you will not see. Make sense to you? If you understand, give me thumbs up as I go on for drama effect. Okay, so you must always be there, guys. You must always be there. I see so many of the comment in our Facebook that they see the bear market, they say, sell in May, go away. You don't go away, no. You go away, you will never get back your money. You see, COVID-19, okay, COVID-19 is here, March, right? COVID-19 crash. COVID-19 crash, you go away, right? You will never benefit from the glove stock. You go away, you will miss glove stock, you will miss semiconductor stock. Also, do not go away. Here you see, you sell in May, you go away. Go what away? You go away, you're going to miss the rally. Okay, so stay put. Okay, so what you want to do now? Okay, what you want to do now is, I believe the market should recover. When? June it should recover. So May, it may still swing. And when the market recover, when it starts to go up like this, you want to be there. Okay, so what kind of stock? BIC stock. Look for the chart BIC. The best is the industry establish itself and we know exactly which industry to target. As of now, I don't have a lot of industry. I only have got 1 or 2. But I cannot disclose, okay, only for Traders Club member. So we so far only that 2 sectors to watch out for. And as the market become easier, there will be more sector. It is repeatable, guys. It's always repeatable. So stay confident, stay in the market. I hope you feel inspired after my rally. After my rally, I hope you feel inspired. If you inspired, give me thumbs up. Give me fireworks of thumbs up. Like, thumbs up, come. BIC, not VIC. My English not good. Sorry. VIC. BIC. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. Okay, right? So now what I want to do is to summarize for you, because it's 10 p.m. already. It's time to do the summary. This is useful for people who first attend this webinar And for people who has been here many times, and or if you are already a member, take this as a refresher. When you go into the stock market tomorrow when market open, you want to know what stock to buy. Okay, so what stock to buy? As I explained to you, focus on industry theme. Macro first. This is called top down. Macro first. Then the catalyst. What can cause your stock to go up? Now, if you have a lot of stocks in your portfolio not going higher, okay, through May, not going higher, then you have to ask yourself, what will be the reason why this stock can go up? If you do not know, for example, I'll give you an example. If you have a stock, okay, if you have a stock called Zcon, okay, in your portfolio, you are sitting deep in red, and you ask yourself this question, what is the catalyst for Zcon to go up? If you cannot come up with an answer, this stock is in trouble. It will make you lose more money, and it will make you very painful because no reason to go up, it will not go up, correct or not? So before you buy a stock, guys, pay attention to the stocks industry, pay attention to the catalyst. Catalyst can be the earnings. Earnings can be good coming up, or the stock has always been making stable earnings, then you have a better chance. Okay, or government policy helping that particular industry. For example, after the pandemic, we are looking at after the pandemic. So after the pandemic, maybe the government will spend more in infrastructure projects, the MRT, the bridges, the highways, okay? And or election in Sarawak is coming up. So Sarawak may be the next group of stocks in play. This is what I call government policies, okay? Now, that is the what to buy. And then once you identify the industry, the group of stocks that you are interested in, then you proceed to the next step, when to buy. Look out for BIC chart. Look out for BIC chart. If you don't see BIC chart, doesn't mean the stock cannot go up. It's just that, okay, for myself, if I come to a chart, if I don't see BIC, to me, I won't have the confidence that after I buy the stock will go up. So that is the reason why I always prefer BIC. Then you can, once you identify BIC, there's only two ways to buy, either through VT or smarter way to buy low. Now next, when to sell. This May is a very good lesson for a lot of people because when the market stopped going higher in February, March and April was damn bloody challenging. So when May and it started to come down, there was a chance, a small window to quickly cut and go. So if you miss it, okay, if you miss it, a lot of stock has dropped even lower. So this is where you should learn when to sell. Look out for weakness. Once you see weakness in the stock, keluar first. Ask question later. Don't have that habit of 舍不得啦. Wow, I cannot bear the losses. I can't see the thing lah. Never mind lah. The stock market will rebound lah. Please don't have this kind of thinking. Okay, a lot of people got killed because of this reason. Hey, we all don't know whether this will turn into a full-blown bear market or not. You don't forget, stock market has been up for one whole year already, you know. So if this go into a full-blown bear market, okay, then you are going to experience 60-70% down in stock prices. Are you ready to handle that risk or not? Okay, so that is why every time when I see general weakness in the market, I will tend to lock in some profit first and also take the quick losses. Then the rest of the stock, which I'm confident of the FA, I will hang on to them. That is my when to sell. Okay, so I hope this summary is able to help those of you who are new to the stock market. Okay, follow this process and you will be well taken care of and you will be one step ahead of many retail investors out there who anyhow trade and invest in the stock market. Now, next slide. Who is the guy behind this voice? Okay, my name is Yihua, Director of Charts Nexus. I've been a private trader since 2004 until today is 2021, so 17 years. Okay, so throughout the 17 years, I have contributed technical analysis, articles, market outlook to the various medias in Singapore as well as in Malaysia. I also lead the Traders Club in Southeast Asia. Before COVID-19, I was flying around the region, okay, enjoying the good food, staying in good hotel, okay, around this Southeast Asia. Okay, so this is some of our group sizes at some of the locations where our traders club is. So this is the traders club that I lead. Because of COVID-19, okay, now no flying MCO circuit breaker in Singapore. So what we do is we transform our events to online. Just like how you attend today, I'm able to serve all of you from one location to many of you out there. Okay, you can be in KK, you can be as far as Penang. I am broadcasting to you from Singapore. So nice. Talk to everyone on one single platform. Much more efficient than flying around. Okay, so this is the one of the benefit of this COVID-19, where suddenly online learning become the norm. So at Traders Club, what is our focus? Okay, we always discuss what industry is in play, what stock to look for, and then the strategy to buy that stock. And also when it's time to exit, we will remind each other as a community, hey, market bo tui pi leh, hey, budget day coming, hey, politics of issue leh, hey, COVID-19 cases rising. So we share a lot of such information so that we make very informed decision. So if you are looking for such a very focused club to join, okay, this is the Traders Club that I think it will benefit you greatly. Now, this is the 5-stage trader progression that everybody will go through. So some of you may be stuck in the first 3 stages, spending a lot of money, losing to the stock market, wasting years of your time trying to figure out what works in the stock market, but still can't do it. Okay, so recently I have got one member who just joined me, right? He started trading and investing in the 90s, but he's tell me honestly that, although he started very, very much earlier than even than me in the 1990s, until today, he is still losing money. Okay, so he has spent about 30 years trying to find out what works in the stock market. Okay, but what if, okay, what if you want to save money, save time, you should adopt a trading plan. A trading plan that works. Okay, trading plan is a set of rules to help you find the stock to buy, the when to buy, and the when to sell. Okay, so if you want to save the time, okay, and save the money, you can start to use my trading plan. Then you will trade together with me and my community. We tackle every quarter for the earnings split. Okay, then you will see how efficient, and no longer you'll be confused about the stock market, whether is it bullish or bearish, what stock to buy. You know, those questions will be out of the window. You become very structured. You know exactly what the stock market is doing, or just like many of my members. Okay, so this is the trading plan, and my trading plan, you can learn it from this Bursa mentorship program. So in this mentorship program, you will learn about fundamental analysis, okay, not the whole financial statement, only information that is important in the statement I will highlight to you so that you learn. This is the earnings season. We just had one session on Monday night where we went through one example on one stock. So all the members will learn, oh, so this is a section to pay attention to. Okay, so in the fundamental analysis training, you will learn how to identify profitable companies, industry in play. Okay, then you use the technical analysis that you learn in the program to time your entry in these stocks. Okay, and after learning these two analysis, two methods, you will be also hand guided by myself and the community. The mentorship comes in. So through the mentorship, okay, you will receive learning broadcast from me whenever I spot any good charts to show you how it works. And you will also receive weekly training webinar happening on Monday nights. Okay, happening on Monday nights. And also daily market commentary. So after you learn, you are not going to do it by yourself. Learning is to get the knowledge so that when you come to our community, you have the knowledge. When we talk, you understand what we are talking, and this will help you in your trading. This is what we call the on-the-job training. Okay, so I'm going to show you how it looks like right here. So this is the private group only for members. So you can see the training videos right here, the guides. Okay, so these are all the training videos already pre-recorded. You can come in video on demand. Now it's MCO ma. Or MCO, if you are working from home, it is time you take care of your own financial freedom. No, financial health check. No, your financial health. Financial health. Okay, that means during your working hours, your boss cannot see you, correct or not? So during MCO, don't waste time watching Netflix or playing computer games. Come and learn trading. So these are all the videos already recorded, uploaded. Go and learn. What are the videos that is the most important that you must view? Okay, right here. ESP Master Pro User Guide. This will teach you how to use the software. Okay, so that is the one of the important video. Then VT, how to identify volume trigger. This is one of the key variable in our, not variable, this is one of our key strategy concept in our analysis of trading volume. So this is a must view, because a lot of new members always ask this question, what volume to use and so on, when to buy, what price to buy. This is the video to answer that. Okay, then of course selling rules, taking profit. Okay, so these are how you take profit. The other one important will be the position sizing. Okay, how many units can you buy? It must be a formula that allows you to compound your profit, your trading account. Okay, so do not trade in the sense that you only make a couple of hundred here and there, and do not ride on big trends, and you also do not compound your trading account, then you will not be building wealth. Remember, okay, compounding interest is the eighth wonder of the world, according to Einstein. So if you know the power of compounding, trading profits can compound your trading account at a faster rate. So this is the video to come and see to understand. Okay, so these are the more important videos and the guides, and you can go to discussion. This is where the daily happening is. Today is 26th, market not open, so this is the 25th of May. You can see 253 comments inside the in the post, and you can see we are sharing all the information. Okay, you can see we are sharing all the information right here. Okay, very, very useful for our trading decision. Okay, so this is the community at work. With my one pair of eyes, I can only observe a certain group of stocks. But now with so many pair of eyes, how many of them? 800 of them, all of us sourcing for information. Wow, this group can only get more and more powerful with the information. Okay, and our webinar is also conducted right here in this private group. Okay, I'm going to look for it to show you. Whenever I come live on Monday night like this, Monday night 24th of May. Okay, so this is the webinar, live webinar for members only, right here. Every Monday. So which means after you join the training program, right, every Monday you will receive training. Okay, training on this week. What are we looking for? This is the setup. This is the volume. This is the entry strategy. So every week, every Monday. Okay. Now, I focus a lot on earnings. This is one of the key concepts to trade. Other than industry play, this is also earnings is also one of the key concepts. So we are focusing on stocks that will fly. That means their earnings are very strong. Okay, so these are the key earnings funds to pay attention to. In May 13, 2020, okay, 1 year ago, this is the unrealized profit that I've built up. Okay, 19.7K. For that earnings season. So what I did was I started to time my entries into stocks which I believe is going to report very good set of earnings. So once the earnings is out, I will sell on confirmation. I will not hold because this quarter good doesn't mean the next quarter is good. So if I buy, I make money. Then if the stock starts to show weakness, I will sell first. Always can buy back one, gentlemen. Always can buy back one. So don't go and fall in love with a stock. The stock can turn sour. I can one before. Okay, it's called Tiguan. So this is the August earnings season. By then, I built up an unrealized profit of 76.7K. Now you can see the stocks are different. Okay, you can see the stocks are different. I've got FP Group. I do this easier. Okay, I just want to highlight to you the list of stock is different. Okay. So I'm going to show you right here. You see, the list of stock is different. So FP Group, okay, I still have Chrono, no more, log in already. MTech, no more. Can you see? OCN Cash, no more. So Top Glove still have. Top Glove, very strong trend in 2020. So sell it, very cursi. So I hold on. SEGM, no more. Revenue, no more. So the whole group, only left FP Group and Top Glove, which I carry forward to the August earning. Okay, then August earning, I pick up even better stock like Hata Okay, that time got Me, got Scomnet, got Supermax, Tiguan. Oh, see, every quarter, a group of different stock. Now, once you join the training, you have very strong core support. Through the private page, you have continuous learning like what I shown you just now, and you will also have access to my weapon, which is the ESP Master Pro. Without this software, it will make analysis more tedious. You will spend more time. So with this software, everything can, every information is by your fingertips, very fast. Okay, and the learning communicator broadcast. Let me show you one sample right here. Now, this is the web-based. All of you have access to the mobile base instead. So you're going to install this communicator in your mobile phone, and then when I spot any good chart, I will broadcast to you so that you are aware. Okay, like for example, 2 days ago, I was talking about DNO and Meliwa, or I will comparing which chart is better. And then we've got DNO over here. Okay, DNO, why is DNO good? Okay, so you can see I shared a lot of ideas over here. And when I see danger, like bearish stop on UWC 532, there was a bearish stop. Then concept of swap. Okay, so this is where steel stock, Haptic and Melewa, K-Power and SCIB. So I shared the trading idea of these 4 stocks. Okay, MSM, and you also have got like no love for Asia Fly or Asia Fly. Okay, Melewa, PA, 21 days ago, wait or lock in profit. So I pose this kind of question to the community. So you can see if you are at the receiving end of this kind of broadcast from me, you will be able to learn better because these are the real charts happening in the market. That is what going through the trader's mind. So you are able to learn when the market is moving. So I find that is very beneficial in helping the members to understand better. Also, this is the communicator learning broadcast. And the Telegram alerts, just now I showed you how to set up the alert. So set up on the alerts on the stocks that you're interested in, and you will never miss another trade. Okay, when our system strategy triggered Melewa, for example, tomorrow, you will also receive the alert to your mobile phone. Also very, very useful feature. So these are the 4 features of the mentorship program. So all in all, every day we'll be looking for stock to buy, entry and exit. Rinse and repeat every single week in, week out for 1 whole year. Okay, for 1 whole year. So therefore, this program will require your commitment. Are you committed to making more money? If you're committed to growing your investment, this program is for you. If you are looking for buy, sell, call, okay, buy, sell, call, this program is not for you. Okay, I don't do buy, call, sell, call. I only show you the good stock. Why is it good? And you have to use the knowledge you learn from the videos to make an assessment whether are you going to buy or are you going to sell. This is how the program works. Okay, so those of you looking for a buy, sell, call, this one not for you. If you want to learn and learn this life skill where it's like swimming, once you learn you forever remember, this program is for you. Now this is the November earnings, October 16, preparing for November earnings. Profit swell to 91.5k, capital is 240k. Okay, so it's about 59% growth. You can see a different list of stocks again. Just rebalance the portfolio going into every single earnings. Also, this is throwback November 2020, not important now. This is the January 2011, February 2011. Okay, February 2011, a new set of stocks, 48.9k. Okay, so every earnings season, I will build a portfolio to go into the earnings. Now, I'm going to show you more results from the members. Okay, right here. Okay, go to my group, right? I come here and I go to results. Okay, you can see I'm not the only one that is sharing the results. Okay, so we have other members as well. Okay, right here you can see this is the members results. Okay, members results. Also, so many of them. I will just keep scrolling. This VS revenue, Mr. DIY, or riding the trend. Okay, so they learn how to ride trend and when to not ride trend as well. The members. These are from the members. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This is mine. In May. I want to show you the date. The date. There you go. April 30. So in March and April, I try to amass a portfolio of stocks to go into the earning season, reporting season in May, which is this week. Okay, so 1st of May, I thought I have done it. Okay, that means, wow, finally can build a 10.4K profit and then right into the earning season. I expect this to make another 30, 40K one. But unfortunately, in May, after 30th of April, stocks turned down and I have to lock in the profit and then give back some of the profit. So net in May, I did not make money. Okay, I have to be honest with you because all the members are here. So I want to show you that this May, okay, you must know how to protect yourself. For me, I only lose back the earnings here. The January profit was 48,000, still in my pocket, show. Or only May break even, unable to generate money because the market is coming down. I hope you understand this point. All right, so this is the May 10.4K. Before the stock all come down, then I have to restart again. Oh. So that is the result. So if you're looking for a results-oriented program where me and my members are always hunting for profit, this is the program for you. So with the knowledge that you learn from my videos, plus the daily commentaries from me and the members and yourself participating, you will be able to spot opportunities, and that is where your profits are coming from. Imagine you try to do this by yourself, relying by Google, trying to find out and learn slowly. You are going to waste a lot of time. Smart people learn from the experience of others. Okay, learn from the experience and mistakes of others. So by joining the program, you are already doing what is working. So just stick with the process and you should get your results. Our pre-COVID seminar package is 378 because we need to pay for the air travel lah, the makan lah, the hotel lah, the seminar room lah. Also, therefore, it is charged close to 4K, 378. But because of COVID-19, we are able to deliver through online. So therefore, we can keep the cost down and therefore give you a better price at 2388 for this 1-year mentorship program. Okay, so remember, this 2388 is not pay one time, attend 2 days of training. Then after that, you cannot, after that you are left on your own and you try to trade and you cannot make it and you forget about this program. No, wasted 2,000. No, this investment in yourself, 238, is to join a 1-year program, just like you going back to a evening school, a night school, part-time study. What part-time? What? Part-time learning how to manage your money, how to invest, how to manage your investment. For 1 year, 238. If you go to any other part-time study, diploma in finance, okay, or diploma in accounting, it is going to be 23,000 for 1 year. So this is only 238 to learn how to manage your investment for 1 year. Every Monday, you will hear my voice. Every day, you will see my Facebook together with the community. Sibei Wuhua, I tell you. Okay, so this is 2388. Those of you who are ready to sign up, this is the link, chatnexus.com/trading Bursa. My fellow colleague has already pinned up the sign up links over here. So you can click on the links to sign up for the mentorship program. Okay, so once you sign up for a mentorship program, you will be able to receive the welcome email. In the welcome email, there will be the instruction to get all the software, all your login password. So watch out for the welcome email. This welcome email, for some member, it landed into their spam box. So you must go to the spam box to check it out. Okay, to check it out. As a bonus, there will also be a club watch list. So after you join, if you are brand new, you don't know where to start from, we have a Malaysia Traders Club watch list. So you follow the list of stock as your first step, okay, while you start to screen and add more to your watch list. Okay, so this is a very quick shortcut for those of you who are very new to the trading. Okay. Now, for those of you who stayed all the way to this last slide, I have a good news for you. Okay, I purposely very chonghei. So there is about 98 of you on Facebook and 150 of you on YouTube. Okay, so this time limited promotion is for you. So instead of 238, I'm going to give you a very good price of 2011, a promotion price of 2011 for staying on all the way to this last slide. So you will be able to save 377 ringgit. Okay, 377 ringgit. And this time limited promotion, okay, this time limited promotion will end 12 p.m. tomorrow, 27th of May. Okay, let me put this down. Let me put this down. Okay, I will put it down here immediately. I forgot to put it down. Promotion ends 12 p.m. 27th of May 2021. Okay, I hope everybody is reading this. Okay, so if you want to save 377 ringgit, go and sign up now. You have until 12 p.m. 27th of May to sign up at the link. After 27th of May, the website will revert back to the normal price of 2388. So this is only for those of you who stayed all the way to this last slide and you saw this time limited promotion. Those that already fall out earlier will not know and they will be thinking 2388. Okay, like any question with regards to the mentorship program, I'm going to put the YouTube question on the channel here as well so that we can attend to everybody. Okay, so let me ask, let me see what's included in the package. PS Law. Okay, so you will be receiving the 4 things, the Facebook access, the ESC Master Pro software, the communicator, and the Telegram alert. So that is included in the package. Assuming I registered and after 1 year, am I still entitled to use the software and remain in Facebook? Okay, so this program is by yearly subscription. So if you have already completed 1 year, I expect you to be able to be profitable already. So once you are profitable, then you see whether you still need to follow the group. Now, if you find that the group is very beneficial, then you just renew for 1 more year. Otherwise, you are good to do it alone after 1 year. Okay.西北五华 look for 一华，哎呀，丢啦，很有押韵哦，很有押韵。Okay, here go. Will members be given the list of portfolios for earning season? Oh yes, we are going to build together, Ebeng. We are building this together. Okay. So in May, we tried to build, we failed, we unable to build because the market really, the bear is very strong. So that 10K locked in already, then have to buffer for some of the losses in May. So now we restart again, or restart preparing for the August earnings. And meanwhile, trade the industry play. So that is how we do it. How long have you been training and running this members club? This members club, we used to start this traders club in 2009. 2009, but that time I have trainers running it, so I wasn't running this myself. I was sitting behind the desk. So I myself step up to lead the traders club was in 2017 till now. So it is about 3 to 4 years. Okay, 3 to 4 years. Otherwise, I was trading by myself quietly in my office. Okay, like any more questions, guys? If you got no more question, take advantage of this time limited offer, yeah? There you go. Let me just bring this smaller so that everybody can see. Like any more question? Like, 有没有问题? With regards to the mentorship program, so that we can help you understand better, we also have got WhatsApp and email, okay? So for you to qualify for this promotion, okay, at least drop an email or drop a WhatsApp before the 12 p.m. so that you still, my admin will still be able to contact you and answer your question, okay, before 12 p.m. Your transaction must happen before 12 p.m. tomorrow to get that 2011. Otherwise, it will be 2388. So to save 377 ringgit, sign up now. How much is the renewal subscription? The renewal subscription will be the prevailing rate. Okay, will be the prevailing rate. PS Law means need to rebuild the new earning for August. Yes, sir. Need to rebuild. Every quarter, different group of stocks. Did you realize? If you never realize that means this is another thing you do not know about the stock market. Every quarter, there will be one particular industry that is stronger than the rest. So that is the one to hunt for, guys. Can replay if miss the Monday training? Yes, you can replay if you miss the Monday training. Once I come live on our private Facebook group, that video is kept there forever. Even now, if you join, you can still find the 2020 video. Okay, so yes, you can replay. Would be good if once in a while you highlight potential winning trades to shares to member. Ibeng, are you a member? I think you look very familiar leh. I think you're a member, right? Not yet, huh? Remember, Ibeng, we discuss as a group, we discuss what are the potential industry, what are the potential stocks to look for, and therefore the members will know what are the potential stocks to look for. Okay, so therefore your question is already answered. Just join, huh? No wonder I see you so familiar lah. Hai lah, have what? D&O? Mana bo? D&O ma, remember? D&O, then yeah, recently only D&O. Usma also ma, Usma. Oh, so now it's bear market. So if you just join, we are playing defensive. Once the bear is over, we will start to do the hunting. So be patient, okay? Not every day hunt for stock like that 很容易输钱的。不要这样，我们要下okay. It's like I think you should be. I look at your face, seems like you play Chinese chess 就很像下象棋这样，对吗？每个人的起步都不一样的，有些喜欢上那个卒，有些喜欢上中象，有些喜欢第一步就走中炮，慢慢设个局慢慢摆正设局抓那个股 ，OK， 不要一开始就把炮跑过去吃人家的马嘛，给他的车干掉，对不对？所以摆正设局抓股就是这样。听懂吗？听懂吗？哇，很轻用象棋来比喻。Your photo was when you are young, now 68 years old. 係啦 no rush no rush. 哇 68 years old respect. Still got energy to trade the stock market respect. Right? Any more questions, guys? Let me see what is Nasdaq doing now. Up. US market is up again. US market is up again. Tomorrow should be Sun Jia Sun Gui. Tomorrow should be Sun Jia Sun Gui. Everybody morning breakfast go and buy Sun Gui and eat. So Sun, the whole day will be Sun. Okay, so I think if there's no more question, there you go. Just WhatsApp to sign up, right? Edward, no. You want to sign up, you need to click on the link. You need to click on the link to sign up, Edward. Frederick Liu, what is the ideal capital to start using your software to trade the Bursa? This is a very common question. Okay, I will say minimum 10,000 minimum 10,000 minimum 10,000 to trade the Bursa market, because the minimum lot size is 100 shares so should be good enough. Of course, if you have 10,000 let's say 10,000, you make 20%, it's only 2K but you must understand 2K although look very small, but because your trading capital is only 10K so that is the reason why don't come in 10K right capital and you expect to make 60K 那个是6倍嘞 600 times nobody can do it. So 要慢慢来，一步一步慢慢来。Which means I can be able to access from my Android mobile, right? Ruby Yo. Access on your Android mobile. No, the software is desktop browser, not for mobile. Mobile too small. You can see the software is very comprehensive. So many information. So we are unable to squeeze it into the small view for now. Cannot. So it is too small for the mobile. So it is a desktop browser. Okay, desktop browser. Well, Frederick, I hope I answered your question. And Edward Choi, click on the sign up link. Click on sign up link. Tomorrow 12 p.m. 就播了 the promotion. Just want to highlight this to you. So if you want to take advantage of this promotion price, 卖图了。Okay, I see there's no more question and the time is 10:40 p.m. now. I thank all of you for your attendance tonight. Okay, I hope, one more question. The software will automatically send alert. Yes, sir. PS Law, the software will automatically send alert. There you go. Let me show it to you. Telegram, where are you? There you go. There you go. To be 9点27分to be on Monday, Monday morning 9点27分。Okay, need new renewal every year. If after first year, right, you make money, second year you renew. Okay, if after first year you cannot make money, why you want to renew? Correct or not? So 过了第一年才打算I see a lot of people very kanchiong ask about second year leh. A lot of my members, I tell you, they renew in advance. They just join like 3 months, 4 months, then they renew already. They renew already. Amazing, because they find value in the program. A lot of them say, 相见恨晚. A lot of people say they 相见恨晚. 对不对? Remember, those of you who are still around. They say, if only we met each other much earlier, 少走很多冤枉路. OK, 少走很多冤枉路. 这个是很多 member 讲的，不是我讲的。少走很多冤枉路。OK, so 今天如果你不想再走冤枉路的话，早点参加，早点上岸，不要在那边乱来，就对了。就对了。那 you see, if you are already losing like thousands of ringgit in the stock market every month or every quarter, maybe it doesn't work for you, correct or not? So you stop what you are doing and then you use this money to invest. You're going to lose to the stock market anyway if you do by yourself. Might as well invest in the program and learn the knowledge. 係唔係咁講? Then you will improve, then you will have a decent chance of making profit 嘛，对不对？ I see a lot of people 哇，乱来嘞 don't want to learn, just try by themselves, take a long time to learn, 没有那个天分 then 硬来就硬输。参加这个团队是最聪明的做法了，我觉得。亲 thanks for agreeing with me. 真的不要半年后输到没有钱了才哎呀，早知道我参加。如果是最毒的果，如果Okay, guys, so that's all the promotion price is until 12 p.m. System alert, how do you get it? So far never received. eBank 在这边 OK, 在这边 Telegram alert. Okay, today is holiday, so no alert. For you, eBank, for you, okay, for you, you must come here. You go to the guides, eBank, 听着go to the guide. You follow the instruction here. You follow the instruction here, you will be able to set it up on your Telegram and receive the alert. Okay, eBank. 好了，今天就到这里为止。Thank you for everybody who attended tonight. Hope to see you next Wednesday. And remember to join your friend. Today is like all-time low, 350 of you only. Very sad, very sad. I want to hit 600, 700, 800, 慢慢起嘛 but 没有嘞，一直掉的嘞。Also, please help me spread the good words and let's meet again next Wednesday. Okay, so that's all. Good night. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye.